The Choctaw people call it Banaha, a traditional food made from a mixture of cornmeal and peas that is wrapped in corn husks and boiled until it's ready. Banaha is a favorite among many Choctaws. It is a foodway that is more than just a simple meal. In the past, Banaha was once eaten as part of the regular diet of the Choctaws. Its nutritional high protein and carb combination gave them needed energy for work and for long journeys. Its neat corn husk packaging made it versatile for cook and carry for long trips. The food even became part of the Choctaw wedding ceremony, which is customarily served to the groom's family. In this feature, one of the more traditional methods of cooking Banaha will be demonstrated. The process begins with building the fire. This needs to be done well in advance to get a good steady fire going, to have sufficient coals gathered for the cooking. Having a good knowledgeable firekeeper who will tend to the flames during the cooking process is a big plus. The next step is to gather the ingredients and the cooking utensils. To make Banaha you will need plain cornmeal, peas, corn husks, 3 large bowls or pans, 3 large spoons, 3 cooking pots or boilers, and plenty of water. When the flames are ready, the cooking starts with boiling the dried peas. This usually takes about an hour. The peas need to have plenty of water to cook with. The peas and its broth are key ingredients for making the Banaha mixture. The other items that need to be boiled are the dried corn husks. Boiling the husks will cause them to soften and make them more pliable for wrapping the Banaha. This will take about 15 minutes of boiling time. When the peas are fully cooked, a pan of cornmeal needs to be mixed with the peas and its broth. This will be mixed together until a right consistency is achieved. Careful not to add too much of the broth. Add a little at a time to avoid making it too soggy. You will know when you have achieved the right texture by rolling them into a ball. Wrapping the Banaha is simple. Begin by stripping a husk into 1/4-inch pieces. Then tie 2 together to make one long piece. Next, place the Banaha in the center of the husk. Then fold as demonstrated. To complete this process, just take the strip pieces, then wrap and tie a knot around the Banaha. After wrapping and tying up all the Banaha that you want, you are ready to drop them into a pot of boiling water for about 45 minutes. To see if it's thoroughly cooked, you untie the husk wrap and break it open. Give it a taste test to be absolutely sure, but be careful not to burn yourself. Banaha is normally eaten with any choice of meat, along with other traditional foods. Many Choctaws prefer eating fried salt pork with their Banaha. This favorite Choctaw dish can be made with various ingredients and can be cooked indoors on the kitchen stove.
For more information about Choctaw cultural art forms, please contact the Chahta Immi Cultural Center.